Most engines are designed to last, but a few were designed to outlast everything. These are not machines. These are legends. Built with tolerances so tight, metallurgy so precise, that decades and millions of miles later, they're still running. This is the story of four engines that refuse to die. First, the Toyota 2JZ, born 1991, still respected today. Why does this engine survive abuse that destroys others? It starts with iron. A cast iron block so thick, so rigid, that even under extreme forced induction, the bottom end holds. 4-bolt main bearing caps, forged steel crankshaft. Toyota over-engineered this motor for longevity far beyond its 300 horsepower factory spec. That's why tuners push it past 1,000 horsepower on stock internals. And that's why, in garages across the world, 30-year-old 2JZs start on the first crank every single morning. Next, Volkswagen's 1.9 TDI, the diesel that changed everything. Compact, frugal, indestructible. Pumpa-Duza unit injectors are built directly into the head, eliminating high-pressure fuel lines and their failure points. This engine runs at low RPM, low thermal stress, low cylinder pressure. And the result? Documented examples crossing 1.5 million kilometers, not miles, kilometers, on original internals. The 1.9 TDI doesn't make headlines. It doesn't need to. It just runs. Year after year, 100,000 miles after 100,000 miles. Third, the Mercedes-Benz OM-617. A 5-cylinder diesel that was quite literally impossible to kill. Built from 1974 into the 1990s, this engine powered W123s and W126s through the most brutal operating environments imaginable. Desert heat, mountain cold, decades of neglect. Its pre-combustion chamber design reduces cylinder pressure spikes. Mechanical fuel injection, zero electronics to fail. A cast iron block that runs cool and stable under all conditions. Stories of OM-617 engines reaching 2 and 3 million kilometers are not myths. They are documented. In taxi fleets across Turkey, Greece, and Africa, these engines are still turning. And finally, Honda's K-Series, K20, K24. Honda's reputation for reliability is built on engineering discipline. Tight manufacturing tolerances, forged rotating assemblies, VTEC systems that only engage under load, protecting the engine at everyday RPMs. The K-Series head design allows exceptional breathing and thermal management. These engines rev freely to 8,000 RPM all day and return to idle without complaint. High performance, everyday dependability. Honda proved you never have to choose. Iron blocks, forged cranks, mechanical simplicity, exceptional metallurgy. These four engines share one truth. True longevity is never an accident. It is engineering, deliberate, precise, obsessive. The 2JZ, the 1.9 TDI, the OM-617, the K-Series. Legends of mechanical longevity that will outlast us all.